Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by treating the log as an unknown exponent. Convert log b, a into bx equals so you can solve for x. Once done, scan for obvious integer powers that gives exact values quickly. If no simple power matches, make sure a and b meet domain rules. A must be positive and b positive not equal to 1, otherwise the number is undefined. From here, decide whether to use algebraic manipulation or change of base to compute a numeric value. You now convert the expression to a familiar log. Use log b, a equals ln, a/ln b, or with log 10, whichever your tool uses. Then apply log identities, break products into sums, powers into multipliers, and quotients into differences so you simplify the argument before dividing. This reduces rounding error and clarifies exact components. Once simplified algebraically, compute the two natural logs or common logs numerically. Then divide. That quotient is your desired log b, a. Make sure to keep parentheses when using a calculator. You finish by calculating the numeric values. Evaluate ln a and ln b to adequate precision, then divide to get log b a. If you need a quick estimate, locate the nearest known powers and interpolate. For example, if it is between 10 and 100, its log 10 lies between 1 and 2. If results look wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm a 0 and be 0 but be not equal to 1. Ensure you didn't swap numerator and denominator in the change of base. And verify your calculator is in the correct mode.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.